Hello? Excuse me, sir. Please, I don't know if I can have a word with you. I can see that you are doing your early morning walk, sir.
Oh yes, I like to exercise very early in the morning, take a little walk around the estate. How may I help you, young man?
My name is Oluwasegun Owonikoko. I am a network marketer. Please, sir, may I meet you?
Okay, my name is Mr. Isibor. So how may I help you?
Well, I know that rich people, they like to invest because they are always very busy with their 9 to 5 job or their businesses. So I want to present to you this make money online opportunity. I don't live in this estate, but I like to come around because I'll be able to interact with all the people that I meet, wealthy people like yourself, sir, because I know there is no poor man or average person that lives in this estate. So I want to present to you a make money online opportunity that helps you to grow your money by 3% on a daily basis, fixed. Come rain, come shine, you will get 3% of your money. This make money online opportunity does not need any effort from you. Just drop your money there and your money will be growing every day. So that is what I have come to propose to you.
Wow, sounds interesting. Your money grows by 3% on a daily basis, fixed, no more, no less. Everything is fixed at 3%. May I know what exactly they do with the money to make it grow at 3% on a daily basis?
Oh, they are into a lot of things. They are into telecommunication, they are into real estate, they are into crypto, they are into forex, they are into drop shipping, they are into e-commerce, they are into import and export.
Jesus is Lord!
Only one company into all these things at the same time? Give me more information. Who is the CEO? And what is the name of this opportunity? Where is their physical address in this country? And finally, are they very legitimate? Do you seriously recommend them?
Well, the CEO is not important. You understand? The CEO is not important. We are in the business to make money, not to know the CEO. So maybe the CEO likes his privacy. He doesn't want us to know him. As for physical address, what do we want to do with physical address? Do we want to go and visit them? So long as the website is on and we can deposit and withdraw, we don't need any physical address. The name of the company is Money Making Machine Africa. That is the name. And people have been making a lot of money. You see testimonies all over the internet of people cashing out big time. And I am a proud network marketer with the company. So all you need to do is to invest and earn. And I can tell you it is 100% legitimate. I promise you that. I promise you that.
And you are vouching for this company that they are not a Ponzi scheme. This one that you don't know the CEO, you don't know the physical address, you just have absolute blind faith in them. Are you sure that my money will be safe?
Mr. Isibor, I will sign any document, I will sign any MOU with you that guarantees the safety of your funds. You have nothing to worry about. You have absolutely nothing to worry about. I will sign any document that your money is secure. If you don't get your money, do whatever you want to do with me. I will sign it in black and white. I have no fear. I have absolute faith in this company. I know what I'm saying now. Am I a small child?
Wow, I like your confidence. Okay, you say you are ready to sign an MOU guaranteeing the safety of my funds. That means you will have to come over to my office tomorrow so that we can sign that document, do the paperwork, and I will invest a small amount. Maybe I'll start with 10 million naira. And if I see that the business is a very good one, I can increase my investment to 100 million naira. Okay, just find your way to the National Institute of Training and Skills Acquisition. Okay, when you get there, ask of Mr. Isibor. You will be brought to my office. Okay,
Mr. Isibor, I am very, very happy. Okay, first thing tomorrow morning, I will be at your office. I know that institute, I know the building. I will be at your office so that we can finish up this deal. Thank you very much, sir. Good morning, officer. I want to see Mr. Isibor. My name is Mr. Owonikoko. I have an appointment with him this morning.
You are welcome, Mr. Owonikoko. The DG has been waiting for you. If you don't mind, we could just proceed to his office immediately.
Mr. Owonikoko, you're welcome to my office. I hope you did not have any trouble locating this institute.
Please, sir, I don't know which uniform you are wearing. Is it that of a Boy Scout or vigilante or civil defense? Or maybe you just like to wear this kind of color? Please explain to me better.
It is smoky.
Oh, my friend. Okay, I forgot to introduce myself properly. I am Major General Isibor. I am the humble Director General of this institute. Okay, you can see my orderly that brought you to me is also dressed in full uniform. That is Captain Shanowole. So feel relaxed. You don't have any problem.
Rono.
I should feel relaxed. Okay, no problem. I am relaxed.
You dey use your generation to play.
So, Captain Shanowole, I want you to go and get all the MOU. Okay, this is the young man that introduced me to that business, and he is very, very confident. So he wants to sign an agreement that if the investment collapses or if it turns out to be fraud, that I should do with him whatever I like. So go and bring the documents for him to sign. He's very confident.
Okay, boss, I've already printed out the MOU for him to sign. By the way, sir, should I flog those people this morning? How many strokes of cane should I give them? Or, sir, do you prefer that they do frog jump this morning around the compound?
I prefer that they do frog jump around, because yesterday you flogged them 500 strokes of the cane each. So this morning, let them just do frog jump around the compound. At night, you can give them 100 strokes of the cane each before they go to bed. Okay?
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Major General, before your delay, we go and bring the MOU for me to sign. I was hearing when he was asking you whether he should flog some people, and I was hearing 500 strokes. So I'm wondering, who are those people?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about those people. There are people that led me into fraudulent Ponzi schemes that collapsed with my money. So, I have apprehended them for the past 3 months, and every day I've been giving them special military treatment. But you don't have anything to worry about. You are ready to vouch for your business. You even want to sign a document. That shows me that you are a very confident person.
Jesus! Jesus!
This one that I'm hearing 500 strokes of the cane in the morning, then 100 strokes of the cane before they sleep at night. It is beginning to sound like doctor's prescription. And please, sir, this MOU, I don't think we are going to sign it again. No, this one that anybody that introduce you to business that collapse, you apprehend and you start dishing out strokes of cane like medication. Please, I'm not interested in MOU again. I need to go home now.
No.
Mr. Owonikoko, where is all this coming from? As at yesterday, you were very confident about this business and you were ready to vouch and sign documents. And you are here today now, you are changing the narrative. Please, let's go ahead, sign the documents, and let me invest the 10 million.
You say I was confident yesterday. Why won't I be confident? Were you wearing uniform yesterday? Oh, so I came here now. Do you know I'm the only child of my parents? I came here now. You are dressed in full uniform. Your ADC is dressed in full uniform. You people are flogging people 500 strokes of the cane because they introduce business to you. Please, sir, keep your 10 million. I am not, in short, I'm no longer a network marketer. I have retired.
You will sign this MOU today.
Please, sir, don't let me sign any MOU. Please. Henceforth, I will never introduce any business to anybody that does not have beards. Yes, because they may end up to be army officer. Please, this business is not something I can recommend to somebody like you. Because I don't know the CEO, I don't know their physical address. They just have a website, and sometimes for several days we cannot log into the website. The website will be misbehaving. Please forgive me. In fact, I'm no longer referring anybody to any business again. Right now, I am pressed. I need to use the toilet, please. Can I use the toilet, please?
No.
Oh, there's a toilet right behind you here in my office. Go in there and use it and come back.
Please, sir, I am more familiar with the toilet in my house. Yes, sir, please let me go home and use a toilet that I understand. A toilet that understands me. I'm not familiar with this your own. Please let me go home, sir. Please.
I am going to have mercy on you because you said you are the only child of your parents. But let me advise you, stop promoting Ponzi schemes, projects you don't know who runs it or where they are operating from, projects that take people's capital into their custody. Don't you see non-custodial projects like the ones in the description of this video, that people get to keep their money in their own custody and the money is grown there. Whatever happens to their money, they know. You don't have to be the one explaining to them because their money is where they can monitor it and they can see everything that is happening. Stop this nonsense. Promotion of Ponzi schemes is a criminal offense in this country today. Be warned. Get out. Run fast before I change my mind.